main purpose of this breaking event was mainly two main purposes. One was to communicate the evolution of our Ferodo program. Ferodo is our premium brand into the European aftermarket, and we are turning from offering just a product to offering a full program to our customers. And in this event we wanted to communicate the Ferodo program, the evolution of the Ferodo program, and which advantages it brings to the Federal-Mogul customers in the aftermarket. The other main objective of this event was to communicate on a very new evolution in the friction material technology, which is the eco-friction. Eco-friction is a family of friction materials, a family of brake pads without copper. This is a development that we are having in the OE, following the legislation, forthcoming legislation, and following the request of the main premium vehicle manufacturers in Europe, which are requiring more and more material without copper. So we developed a solution with the Federal-Mogul engineering community, and we are ready now to launch the solution in the original equipment and to follow also into the independent aftermarket. We are seeing a trend into the European market for brake, which is very much linked to the average mileage of the vehicle. Brakes are by definition wearing parts, and therefore the less people drive, the less they consume the brakes, and the less they go to maintenance. So the outlook for the market is rather flat, which is a challenge for us in order to improve our position and increase our market share into the European market. We are doing so by focusing on our program, by focusing on our quality, and by focusing on the quality of the product and of the service that we are capable to give to our independent aftermarket customers. As regards to the Polish market, we count a lot on this market, because it's a market that we see in evolution. We see an evolution of the car park, we see an evolution of the consumer attention to the quality. So a premium brand like Ferodo must have a top positioning into the Polish market, like it has in all the European market so far. We are working very hard to get to this objective, including a workshop project that we are rolling up across Poland in order to really bring the Ferodo brand and the Ferodo product as much as possible close to the customer, to the garagist and to the driver, in order to enhance the service we give to our customer and reach the objective of becoming a primary actor into the Polish market as far as braking is concerned. Why to install Ferodo? Ferodo is a premium brand, which means is a premium product in terms of quality, in terms of support, and in terms of service that can give to a garagist. The quality is our first and foremost objective. All our Ferodo pads are manufactured internally in Federal-Mogul factories, and so therefore we have 100% control of the quality of the product that we put into the aftermarket. Also, the service is very important to us, and to help our customer, and particularly the garagist, to make the job even better, we have a set of support targeted to the garagist with installation tips, technical guides, and all this kind of material that help the garagist to make the job better. So Ferodo is the right choice for the garagist from a quality point of view, but also from a support point of view, which is very important more and more considering the evolution of the braking system, the more difficult repair operation. These are all elements that Ferodo support for the customer and in particular for the garagist. Our short-term plans for Ferodo are to consolidate our premium positioning into the market, to continue very aggressively in our new product introduction policy, to bring always new parts into the market before the competition in order to gain more market share, to continue to roll out our garage program, to continue to roll out our support, to give always top service and top quality product to our customers, to the garagists and to the drivers.